Welcome back, everyone. We're taking your taste buds to the beach for tropical dishes that just also happen to be great for beach bodies. So let's trop it like it's hot, people. Registered dietitian Carolyn O'Neil is back. She's going to share ways that these foods are making a splash in nutrition news.
Yes.
Registered dietitian.
I love that. It's going to be my new blog.
Yes.
But you know, it's interesting. It's, what was it, 36 degrees this morning? But everybody is packing. I see on their Instagrams for going on spring break. They're going to Florida, or maybe they've just come back. The rolling thunder of people taking beach vacations.
Right.
Of course, moving up to Easter and Cinco de Mayo. So when I thought about it, I was actually on vacation in Mexico last week.
Fun.
And, you know, it just gets you in this feeling, oh, look at the coconuts.
Okay,
oh,
seriously?
By the way, coconut water, good for you. Coconut oil, not so much. Margarita. We're going to make a mango margarita, folks. And see that guacamole? I have it every day. So good for your skin. And, of course, good for your heart because of the healthy fats.
Right.
So let's get started. And, you know, I think when you're on vacation, you want to take it easy, right? You don't want stress. You don't want mess. And that is why even if you're taking that vacation feeling home with the love of guacamole and avocados, I love this product, Holy Guacamole.
Love it.
This is National Nutrition Month. I read about it in my recent copy of Food and Nutrition magazine as a way to be very, very convenient and, of course, nutritious. Now, it is 100% avocados. They're Hass avocados, just like the kind you buy in the grocery store, and they're hand scooped.
Good.
They're a product of Mexico. And again, this particular guacamole mix I love because it's got the jalapeno, it's got the onion.
That's
it's got
what I love.
all the deliciousness. But you know what, Christine? I think that when you're talking about avocados, it's more than just the guacamole. You can make all kinds of things. And again, those healthy fats, good for our skin, good for our heart. And as long as you're upgrading your guacamole and your avocado, I say let's upgrade the chips.
Okay, good.
You know, you don't need the chili, lime, sriracha, whatever, too high in salt. These are blue corn tortilla, and I really like them with the Holy Guacamole.
Okay, what makes the blue corn better for you?
Well, you know, it's going to have more polyphenols, not to get too technical as a dietitian, but again, there are going to be some nutrients that are in there. Again, they're fried, so of course there's calories.
But it's a better option if you're going to go fried.
Yeah, and the Holy Guacamole comes in like even on the go sizes, so when you're in the car on your way to spring break, okay, you can have it. Let's move along because I think what's really cool here is how avocado can become a dish. Now, you know avocado toast is all the rage.
Yes.
This is something I actually made, and also we can get a close-up of this. This is ahi tuna, so it's that raw sushi-grade ahi tuna.
That's beautiful.
With the beautiful guacamole on top. That's a Holy Guacamole, the chunky style, and then fresh mango and a little bit of black sesame seed. Now, what we have going on here, I think, is a beautiful beach pairing. Mangoes, of course, we think of at the beach. Avocados, of course, and then tuna, the richness of seafood. And we have, you know, it's not a beach vacation without eating seafood.
I know.
Now, here's a little secret.
Okay,
So,
this is
my friend Jackie showed me how to make this, and she said to use a tin can. But last night I was laying in bed, thought, how am I going to do this on air?
Right.
I actually use, folks. See this? This is a bracelet.
She's inventive.
One of my beach vacation bracelets. I did wash it, of course, but I used it to mold the little tower.
How perfect. Okay, this looks like something you'd see in a restaurant, but again, it's something you can actually
much.
make when you're with the family and you've rented your beach house.
Or with chips or whatever you want when you're having a fancy party down there.
Okay,
all right, so now we're moving on to more seafood. This is
shrimp.
And again, frozen shrimp, A-OK, certainly delicious, high in protein. I think it's sort of like flash freezes, and it's absolutely delicious. This I actually mixed. Call out to my friend Rhonda, who told me about this Cajun remoulade sauce from Whole Foods.
It is amazing.
You just boil them up and toss it in that. Of course, it's chilled. And then mango again.
Look at this
You
cute
think of it maybe as a dessert kind of an item or something sweet. Pairs beautifully with the hot and spicy.
What do you call this, Carolyn?
So this is a Cajun remoulade shrimp salad with mango on the side. You know, a lot of people think like, Carolyn, well, you know, I love it when mangoes are in season. Well, I've got really good news, folks. Mangoes are always in season, 12 months out of the year.
Really?
There's 6 different varieties.
Wow, that's good.
Isn't it nice with the hot and spicy and then the sweet of the mango? And also, when you see the mango here, a little close up.
How do I know it's right?
All right, this one's green on the outside, but that's not an indication ripe or not ripe. Because look at this one. This one is green, and it was perfectly ripe on the inside.
Okay.
So again, that is, and you can kind of give it a little nudge.
It has a little bit, when I press on it, it definitely has a little bit of a give.
Yeah, in terms of nutrition, guess what? 1 cup, 100% of your vitamin C. 1 cup, only 100 calories. So you're getting so many nutrients. It's nutrient dense, vitamin A.
But I can't, I feel, I know I'm saying I can't cut it, but I always feel like I make such a mess.
All right, well, you know what? That is one of the barriers. And
is,
at
honestly.
mangoes.org, there's a wonderful video, but we're going to give you your own personal video here at Atlanta & Company.
Mangoes.org.
You literally just turn it on its side, and you know, it has a really kind of a fat pit.
Yes.
And so you just kind of go down, you feel it with the knife, you go down the side of that pit.
Got it.
And it releases it. And I'm going to go on the other side. Now you see the sticker there? That is a country of origin sticker.
Okay.
Those are important. They tell you where they're from. Let's see where these are from. Peru.
Oh, that's so
mangoes come
neat.
from Mexico. They come from Peru. They
But I
come from
love
Brazil.
that I had no idea that they're available all year round.
Yes,
You just have to
12
make
months
sure
of the year.
you check in your
And there's
grocery
different
store.
varieties. If you really want to get into mango world, you can find out all the different names of the varieties at mangoes.org.
And there you
again,
go.
you know, and then I just kind of score it. And if you want, you can just sort of turn it inside out. Et voila, you got perfect little dices on your nutritious, delicious, you know,
Beautiful.
mango. All right,
right,
the mango is
and
also
now-
known
Thank
as,
you. Time for
ready?
this.
The super fun superfood.
Excellent.
Okay, so we, of course, as promised, are going to make a mango margarita.
Because that's
Now,
what
if
you do on spring break and vacation.
Yes, of course. And you know, again, what I like about this, you're getting your vitamin C, right?
Okay.
You're getting your vitamin A, you're getting some fiber. And look at how beautiful. Here, hold your glass.
Got it.
Look at how beautiful. This is a puree, just mango puree, fresh mango that I did, and with a little bit of lime juice in there. And so I'm just going to do this.
And then are we doing vodka? Oh, no, margarita.
Margarita, so of course it's tequila.
Got it.
And in Mexico, I learned a lot about tequila, all the different kinds. And hold on, let me just take this top off here.
Got it.
And we're going to just do it on the rocks.
I love it. That's
And
beautiful
you, of course,
and
could
healthy.
put this, the recipe that we're sharing with you, of course, you do in a blender. But you know how much noise a blender makes on a TV set. So we're doing it on the rocks.
Wow, Carolyn, this is amazing. You went heavy on the tequila pour because it's Wednesday, I guess, and because it's spring break.
It is spring break at the beach.
Yes.
So we have the superfood that's super fun, the mango. We have the deliciousness of the avocados. We don't have to stress, no mess. And, of course, heart healthy seafood. I feel like I'm ready to go back to the beach.
Let's go.
Even if it's just in my own backyard.
I know.
This weekend.
Let's channel that warmer weather. And if you want any of these great recipes or tips, please make sure you head over to Carolyn's website. It is thehappyhealthykitchen.com. And cheers to spring and spring break. When we come back, we're going to step into spring with a home renovation.